Okay, so look at this. This is the chair out of the 2000 Malibu I just picked up. Ugly green Malibu had these really dirty seats. I just scrubbed the one side. I taped it off. Cause you see that in all those videos. They tape it off and they pull it off and they go, look at this. I clean this side of it all the way up. Watch this. Look at that. Look at the difference in that. And it's still wet from where I just cleaned, but look, I'll wipe that off. But look. Look at that difference. All I got to do with is a bucket of water and this is my scrub brush I'm using. Good. And my secret ingredient. Da, 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 da. Baking soda. It gives you just enough grit in your water. That's all I was using. I was using water and baking soda. Sprinkle a little bit on there, a little bit of water, and scrubbing the whole thing down. And look at that. It looked like it's just brand new. I haven't done the headrest yet. I didn't think I was going to because it looked pretty clean. You know, it doesn't look too bad. And I was like, you know, I could probably wipe it down. But yeah, I'm definitely going to scrub it now because look at the color differences, how clean this came out and how clean this came out. Now, it doesn't hide the fact that the seat is falling apart. And it's got all these cracks in it. But you can tell it's also been sewn before. You know, little things are falling apart. But the difference that made, look at that. How cool is that? And the secret ingredient is baking soda. You should definitely give it a shot. Give it a try, see what you think.